Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Sticky rice with mango or durian is a common street food in Thailand during the fruit season. Mango or durian with sticky rice, only say the name, makes me feel hungry. Let's make it if you ever try and like this sweet treat from Thailand. Let's begin. Place rice over a pot of rapidly simmering water and steam, covered for 20 minutes. Remove the lid and flip rice over. Continue steaming, covered for 10 more minutes until the rice is fully cooked. Moving on, let's prepare the durian fruit. If you love durians, you will love this dessert. However, if you find durians too pungent to try, this sticky rice with durian dessert may still surprise you. Meanwhile, let's make the coconut sauce. 2 cups of coconut milk, then 1/3 cup of sugar. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Set low heat and keep stirring. And once the coconut milk is thickened, let's set aside half of this coconut sauce. We will use this coconut sauce for our sticky rice. And the half of the coconut milk sauce is for the durian. Simmer for 3 minutes in a low heat temperature. And it's ready. Let's check our sticky rice. It looks perfect. Let's transfer the cooked sticky rice into a bowl. Pour the coconut mixture sauce on the top of the sticky rice and gently stir. It may look like your sticky rice is drowned in coconut sauce, but the liquid will all be absorbed. Cover the bowl tightly and let the mixture stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's build our Thai sweet sticky rice with mango or khao nhao mom wang. This wonderful and authentic tasting Thai dessert is so good. Let's build our Thai sticky rice with durian, known as a khao nhao durian. I guess you know what durian is, right? How smell? Do you like it? This recipe, less smelling and super delicious. While sticky rice with durian may be delicious, sticky rice with mango makes a far prettier presentation. But I promise you, both are super good and delicious. The combinations of fresh fruits and coconut milk gives this sweet dish a full, rich flavor. The bonus is, it is so easy to make. That is Cooking Simply Delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.